Okay, today's project, we're in collaboration with BREHM Corp again. Fixing a dual wheel spacer off a case IH tracker. Goes on the front wheels. We're going to make the parts and he's going to do the field welding.
So basically, today's project is to put this flange on this fire ring. Basically, the old flange is basically just like the bottom, but was up here, but it fell off somehow. Don't know what happened. So we cut that piece out to save it. Okay, we're going to cut the replacement piece for here. We got it all drawn up, program made. We got a $350 piece of half-inch plate on here. I hope to God we got our bolt circle right. We don't waste this plate. A lot of money. And I'm pretty stupid. Not a good combination. So we either hit our duty cycle or we run out of air. I think we would probably run low on air. And we quit right in the middle of the cut. So hopefully we can save this program and keep on going here. Okay, we're going to try it again here, see what happens. the end piece. Looks like it matches up fairly well. Kind of surprising. Holes are just a touch bigger than the originals, but I think our being off a little bit might make them okay. Here's your original piece.
Okay, the piece was field welded by BREHM Corp at the customer's location. He's got a couple pictures of his work. Here he's using an 8mm Allen wrench to scribe a line to cut off the damaged portion of the rim. There's a picture of the damaged portion plus the finished part of the hub that we're going to save. There's another picture of the hub. Maybe he put a weld in there, welding the old piece to the new piece there. And there, I think he's got the part finished out welded. And what else we got here? Oh, here's a picture of it wouldn't fit down into the dish. We should have made it a little bit smaller, but we didn't realize how the dish was pressed there. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. You never know what stupid shit we're doing next.